Hey yo, crypto in health. You want to know how crypto is working in health? We come to you every day with juicy news on wealth, wellness, and well-being. We're broadcasting to you live from 1.4 degrees south of the equator and 37 degrees east of the central meridian, and it is we're right in the cryptographic middle of the world. You're with me, Scholastica Mugi, and I'm excited to be joining you today, guys. I see by the signs of my clock right now the time has elapsed, but guys, nevertheless, we get to do this every single day, because you know what, it is not the mountains that we conquer but ourselves. So when you're able to conquer yourself, know that that's the mountain that you were supposed to conquer. And of course, this is the Lubricant channel, and you're just in time, because this is the place where you need to get all the information pertaining crypto world and also the blockchain technology. This is the home of all crypto news, of all the information that you need as far as Ubrica and its projects, and as well as Ubricoin is concerned. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me. Remember to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to this channel, because you cannot miss out on so much information that we put out there for your benefit and for you to understand where we've come in as far as achieving global health is concerned. Now, today on our crypto word of the day, we're defining the term technical analysis. And next up on our crypto news, we talk about Israeli startup creating offline crypto wallet with online connectivity. How cool is that? And finally, on Ubrica today, this is what you need to do every single day when you wake up. Remember the Nairobi blockchain conference. That's where all roads are headed to next Friday. That's coming Friday, not tomorrow, but coming Friday. You need to be at the 680 hotel. Why do you need to be there? Just in a moment. So let's just first define what technical analysis is. And this is analysis of prices based on historical price movements and fancy indicators. Analyzing prices based on historical price movements. That's technical analysis. And now, next up on our crypto news segment, we are having an article on CoinDesk by Danny Nelson, and it talks about Israeli startup creating offline crypto wallet with online connectivity. What is that? And let's read Israeli startup JK8. That's a technology that enables sending blockchain transactions without the need for a direct internet connection. There's no need of a direct internet connection. And so this startup JK8 has unveiled a cold storage crypto wallet with an on-network transfer capabilities. So the JK8's technology removes many of the dangers internet accessible crypto wallets face. That is some of the dangers, as you well know. We've talked about this: hacking, attacks, unexplained losses, while preserving their more convenient features such as sending and receiving digital assets. So this is a very amazing technology that is going to change exactly how we view the sending and receiving of digital assets as far as it's concerned. And I want to quote what the co-founder Leo Lamash of JK8 says, and he talks about quote, unidirectional connection links its wallet. That is a unidirectional connection that links its wallet directly to the blockchain, where it transfers assets as a conventional wallet does. Now, JK8's one-way signaling does not in itself operate on the internet. So JK8 says its techniques bypass core assumptions related to cryptocurrency transfer and eliminates attack vectors to any asset transfer. So guys, as you can see, these are technologies that keep getting better and better, and this digital wallet device is electronically disconnected from other digital devices and comprising a cryptocurrency integrated circuit that is isolated from any computer interface. So this is good news, and we keep getting so much innovation in as far as this technology, the blockchain technology itself, of course, is concerned. And this is the creativity that we are saying you must embrace this technology. We are saying that you must get to where this technology is being offered, as well as embracing a cryptocurrency that is going to help you learn more about these technologies, and talking about where you need to learn more about blockchain, cryptocurrency, trading exchanges. We're going down at the 680 hotel on the 27th of this month. That's coming Friday, guys, not tomorrow but coming Friday, from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. where all roads are headed at the 680 hotel, Nairobi, Kenya. Because why are we headed there? We need you to come and understand how you make money using cryptos. It's as simple as that. Everything that we're going to be discussing on that event is going to revolve around how you ultimately make money. So you must make time for you to make money. It's as simple as that. I'm not even going to add anything else. I'm telling you, let's meet on the 27th of this month so that you understand how to make money using cryptos. Make time to make money. So this is it, guys. Let's create time. And what you're doing right now, the tickets have gone to, the advanced tickets are going for 700 Kenya shillings, and all you need to do is dial *229 *28 hash, or better still, you can visit the mtickets.com, and there you will buy a ticket and accompany me, and I accompany you to go and make money using cryptos. I have been your girl, Scholastica Mugi, and until tomorrow, it is goodbye for now. Ciao!